Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do this text effect. I hope you like it. The first thing to do is finding an image that you like for the fill of your text and simply click and drag it into your canvas. I'm going to rotate it to have more space for the text and click accept. And you will see that a new layer has been created for the image. I'm going to link this image below, and I will also add a couple of sites where you can find public domain images for your projects. Now let's create a new layer for the text, and with the text tool, let's type something. I'm going to use all caps. And I'm using a font called Anton, which I think you can find in Google Fonts. I will link it below. And I'm going to make it a little bit larger. I think this effect works best with fonts that are a little bit thicker because you are able to see more of the image below. Now that I have the image and the text ready, I'm going to move the image layer on top of the text layer. And now pressing the Alt key, I'm going to hover between the two layers, and you will see that the cursor changes to this little square with an arrow. When that happens, I click, and there you go. You have a text with an image fill. And now we can still adjust it a little bit. I'm going to use the Move tool and make sure that I have Auto Select here at the top deselected. And when I am on the image layer, I can move the image without the text moving. And when I'm on the text layer, I can move the text without the image moving. So I can adjust it as much as I like. One of the best things about this technique, in my opinion, is that once you have finished, you can edit the text without having to worry about the photo at all. So you can simply type and the image will still be there. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and if you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.